It was fantastic. I have a question. Vipin. Nancy, what is the capital? Vipin. Washington is the capital of America. Nancy. No, I answered the same, but my friend's dad said it's the wrong answer. What does the word capital mean in business? Vipin. Okay. Capital is the investment made by the person in his own business. Capital is not the only cash. It also includes other things like furniture, cars, machinery, etc. Nancy. Dear brother, does dad get the money from the office that is capital? Vipin. No. Dear little sister. Nancy. But why, bro? Vipin. Because this is our sweet home, not a business. Nancy. What is the business? Vipin. Business is an activity that involves buying and selling things to earn a profit. Nancy. And our sweet home is not involved in any profit-making activities. Vipin. Very good, Nancy. One more thing, little angel. The person who introduced the capital into his business is known as the owner. Nancy. Okay. What is the profit? Vipin. Okay, understand with an example. You brought one candy for 10 and sold it for 12 in the market. How much extra money was made by the sale? Nancy. 12 minus 10 equals to 2. Vipin. Very good. This is the profit. Nancy. Oh. Wow, it's very interesting. Vipin. Now get into a little more detail. Nancy. Okay, bro. Vipin. 12 is the sale price, 10 is the cost of the candy you paid, and 2 is the profit you made in the business. Nancy. Yes. Vipin. Let's understand a formula. Nancy. Formula. Wow, very interesting. Vipin. Formula of the profit. Profit is equals to sales minus cost. 2 is equals to 12 minus 10. What if we sold the candy for 7? Nancy. Loss? Vipin. Yes, loss. You're absolutely correct, little princess. Sale price 7 minus cost 10 equal to loss 3. Vipin. Okay, now answer my one question. What if you sold the candy for 10? Nancy. Sale price 10 minus cost 10 equals to no profit, no loss, 0. Vipin. Very good. You have a 100% correct answer, Nancy. This situation of no profit and no loss in the business is known as the break-even point. The break-even point is a point where the sales equals the cost. I have an exercise for you, dear. Nancy. Yes, please. Vipin. The sale price of a doll is 110, but the cost is 90. What is the profit? Sale price 110 minus cost 90 equal to profit 20. One more question, please. I am getting interested in this. Vipin. You bought one chocolate for 50 and sold it for 45. What is the profit or loss? Sale price 45 minus cost 50 equals loss 5. Vipin. You can join the WhatsApp channel at VIPINANCY for more online practice. What if we expand our business and start selling more than one chocolate? Nancy. If I sell 10 chocolates of 30 each, I bought one chocolate for 20 each. What is the total profit? Vipin. Sale price 30 into 10 equals to 300. Cost 20 into 10 equals to 200. Total profit 100. Now you are a complete businessman. I am sorry, you are a complete business girl. Nancy. Thank you, brother. It's practice time. A beautiful conversation between the author Vipin Kumar Varma and his beautiful little sister, age 8 years, on the basic concepts of accounting will help the children understand the basic terms like what is capital, debtor, B2C. It's puzzle time.